Welcome to Toon TV Adventure. One afternoon, a fox was walking through the forest and stopped a bunch of grapes hanging from over a lofty branch. Just the thing to quench my thirst, he thought. Taking a few steps back, the forest jumped and just missed the hanging grapes. Again, the fox took at a few paces back and tried to reach them, but still failed. Finally, giving up, the fox turned up his nose and said, "They are probably sore anyway," and proceeded to walk away. Moral: it's easy to despise what you cannot have.
हमारे चैनल से जुड़े रहने के लिए लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा और हमारी नई आने वाली वीडियो को हासिल करने के लिए बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिए। शुक्रिया।